Hey guys, it's Missy here. Make sure to go check out my Patreon where you could get exclusive reactions that I post on my YouTube channel weekly. Go check it out. It would really mean a lot to me. Hey guys, it's Missy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's reaction video, we'll be checking out CLC's Helicopter music video. Now this was a suggestion, I believe, so thank you to the person who suggested me to react to it. Now Helicopter, I don't believe I've ever heard of this song. I believe I've heard bits and pieces of it, but I've never seen the music video to it either, so this will be my first time. So I have no idea what to expect. I'm ready for these beautiful girls to blow me away. So I'm going in with an open mind. I hope you guys are too. So I'm not going to ramble on too much longer, and let's get in with the video. Going 1, 2, 3, go. Do I have captions? I have captions. You won't be lonely at the top. Ooh. Ready, girls? Ready, girls? What the? Ooh, choreo. Yes. Man, they are beautiful. That's cute. Ooh, ooh. I love her. I love her. Her too. I like her. I like her dress. Beautiful. Looks kind of itchy, but it looks beautiful. Oh, the black and white. Girls! Who did that high note? The journey never ends. Wow. Okay. Let's talk about it. Oh my god. That was perfection. Oh my god. There were so many ups and downs, and I felt like I was on a roller coaster. Actually, a helicopter. Sorry. I had to. Okay, serious note though. I love how they use the references to the helicopter with the lyrics though. Oh my god, like, I never thought like things that could go wrong or things or like terms for like a helicopter would fit in a song, you know? I love how they did that. That was pretty smart. They're using their noggin there. That was pretty smart. They looked beautiful. Their vocals were on point. Whoever did those high notes towards the end, can we just appreciate the vocals, please? Because, oh my god, I need her to step more into the front, please, so we can know who did those high notes, so I can acknowledge her. Because it was amazing. But I mean, all of them did amazing. Oh my god. Helicopter. Wow. I loved it. I loved every second of it. I would definitely give this a 5 out of 5. They did amazing. Well, guys, I hoped you guys liked it because I know I did. If you guys liked it, please like that button. It really helps a girl out. And if you want, hit the subscribe button and join the fam bam. All of my social medias will be down in the description below, along with my Patreon, so make sure to go check that out. And if you guys would like to see more of CLC on my YouTube channel, please drop some song suggestions in the comments below, and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, look at me on, look at me on.